Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to make the light or dark mode turn on automatically at specific time in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 operating system. So if you're using a Windows 10, still the tricks will remain the same. So firstly what you need to do is just open any web browser, and in the Google search just search for one application name as Windows Auto Dark Mode, and you will see a tons of websites. So you can get it from the Microsoft Store also, or you can get it from the developer website. So I'll highly recommend to get it from the developer website. And on the right side you can see releases. You can just click on releases, scroll down. I will see here tons of files with the extension exe. You can download the first one or the second one, or you can get the .zip file also, which is a portable version. So I will get the portable version. You can get the first one also if you want to install it on your hard disk. So I'll download the zip file. So wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So finally the file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded, and let me close this web browser. So just double click it to unzip this file. Now just open the extracted folder and just scroll down. Now you will see here the application Auto Dark Mode app. Just double click on it and wait for a few seconds. So finally you can see the user interface of this application, right? So here I'm not gonna discuss each and every features this software gonna provide for you, so I'll directly focus on the topic, right? So here you can see the second option, set custom hours. So just click on it. Now below you can see a custom start time, that is for the light and dark mode already being set. So you can change this one. So right now my computer time, as you can see on the taskbar, is 5:24, right? So let me try to make it 5:25, and let me wait for 1 minute. So let my computer time become 5:25 p.m. and we'll see if the dark mode really automatically gets applied or not. So we'll wait for a few minutes. So finally you can see the dark mode has been automatically applied since I have scheduled the time 5:25, and you can see on my Windows taskbar also it's almost crossed the time now. So for the light mode it will be on the 7 a.m. So right now it's almost evening when I'm recording this video. So tomorrow early morning only it will get at 7 a.m. the light mode will automatically get applied. So it's perfectly working. So here are some options. You can do a personalizations. You can pick a wallpaper for your respective light mode or dark mode, or you can pick a theme here. And on the settings, just scroll down below. You will see here one option which is enabled by default. If you want to make it run all the time when you turn on your computer, then you can keep this option on, or if you don't feel like making this software automatically run, then you can just turn off if you don't want to enable it when you turn on your computer every time. So using this application you can make the light or dark mode turn on automatically at specific time in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.